Hi everyone, I am Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started. So basically today is not any topic. I just try to share my daily routine in English. Okay, like this you can also share your daily routine in comment box or try to record your voice in recording section or record your video. After that, try to analyze your mistake. This is also very helpful. So let's get start without any delay. So generally I woke up in morning at 6 a.m. Guys, one thing I also try to clear that my woke up time and sleeping time is fixed, but my daily schedule based on my college timing. And by this if I found some days my college is not that day I want make another rule for utilizing my time. So keep this thing in your mind. My daily routine is not the same always. It change every day because I am also a student of college. Okay, so I woke up in morning 6 a.m. After that, I give 1 hour for yoga, brushing the teeth, and I take some sprouts. After that, 2 hour in morning, I always give for my revision topic. Okay, because I found when I not revise my topic, I forget. That's why I give 2 hour every day for my revision. So after that, I go to take bath at 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. to 9:30 or 9:40 a.m. I give for bathing and breakfast and all the things. After that, from 10 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. is my college timing. After that, I come back at my hostel for taking lunch and go back again in my college at 2 p.m. and it going on 5 p.m. in evening. So after that I come back and record my YouTube video, and I give 2 hours for YouTube and making video and editing video and all the things. After that I am going outside to my hostel and try to play with my friends and come back at 9 in night before 8, because after that my hostel close. That's why we come back. I come back and took dinner, and after taking dinner I I give time for my study, and this thing is going on till 12 p.m. before 12 p.m. in night, 12 a.m. in night, sorry. uh, After that 12 p.m. um, 12 a.m. in night. After that I get go to my bed, and I am going to sleep because sleep is also important. I always try to sleep till 12 a.m. in night, because if I'm not sleeping on time, then I cannot wake up at time. That's why I'm sleeping always on time. So this is my daily routine. You can also share your daily routine in comment box. Like this you can also practice your English part. So till the time, bye bye everyone. I think this video is helpful for you. Bye bye.